Hello everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're making 6-minute prawn udon the Saladmaster way. We'll begin by preheating our wok for 5 minutes on medium heat. Then we're going to add our onion chunks. Next up, we're going to add our tenderstem broccoli. We just cut these in half. Next, we're going to add our garlic. We grated this using cone 1 on the food processor. Put the lid on and we're going to cook for 3 minutes. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick recipes. Now we're going to add our fresh udon noodles. Quick tip, soak these noodles in hot water for 5 minutes before adding. This is to avoid the noodles disintegrating when adding to the wok. Now we're just going to add our cooked prawns. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, followed by 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Now it's time to mix it all up. Top with some spring onion. Put the lid on and we're going to cook for an additional 3 minutes. Now it's time to turn off the heat. And we're just going to add some salt, as well as some pepper. If you'd like, you can add some sesame oil for that nutty taste, but this is optional. We're going to do a final mix. And now we're ready to serve. All that's left to do is put it on a plate and enjoy. For the full recipe and the ingredients list, please check the description below.